Okay, so recently I made a little post on my Telegram group telling people that GBP USD was at a major level of support and that it's probably going to go up. That trade went up a lot overnight, and I want to explain a few things about that trade as well as something else that I want to start implicating in most of my day trading. And it's a really fun trick to understand where the support and resistance levels are in a given session. So in this video, we're going to talk about volume profiles. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. I really want to try to make this video short, so let's just get into the charts. This is GBP USD on a 1 hour time frame. You can see a nice clear downtrend with a break of that trend line, a retest of that trend line, and a way up. A direction up, a rejection up, it went up. You could also see at that point we were making lower lows, but on the RSI we were making higher lows, showing us a clear and concise divergence right here. Boom, boom, lower, lower, higher. Not only that, but a very important level on GBP USD are even numbers. 1.30000. The trade I made right here was just for 20 pips with a 10 pip stop loss. That happened relatively quickly. The overall move at night was about 45 pips. But something interesting that you can throw on your charts to help you understand price continuations with the trend at specific levels during specific times of the day. Each session is broken up into different areas of the world. We have the London session where Europe trades. We have the New York session where the Americas trade. And we have the Tokyo session where the other half of the world trades. So a fun indicator that I want you guys to start learning and start training on, not implement this right away. I want you to be educated on this first. If you go into the indicators tab and click the technicals, the third option is volume profiles. I want you to select this one right here, volume profile session volume. What that's going to do is give you sessions highlighted, as well as the buying and selling volume at specific prices, not at the bottom, but vertically. So instead of having major support and resistance levels on a higher time frame, you can see that this middle area where the volume was the highest, that's going to be your support and resistance for the next time frame. The other way that you can use that is if we are in a downtrend, and as the price comes up to retest that trend line, what you can do is wait until it got through that high volume area, then to get into your position, because at this high volume area is where the pressure is going to push that market down, continuing the trend. Then as the volume starts to decrease, you can see that on the bars here on the left, the volume started to decrease where it started to lose momentum and push back up towards that trend line. Now, a lot of people use these volume profiles as entries for their trades. Like that's the area that they want to get to and then get in their trade. But I've found that it works best if it's leaving that area. If you are trading with the trend and the price is leaving that high volume profile area, you want to ride that trend down until the volume starts decreasing and then get out of your position. Because what we're seeing here is a loss of momentum. High volume, high volatility easily stopped out in this area, but if you get it as it's leaving that area and then the volume starts decreasing, showing a loss of momentum, you can ride trades for much longer, feeling safer that you're going to get out here because the volume is not there to support the continuation of that move. Another thing that you can toss on here is the VWAP line. The VWAP is volume weighted average price. And basically, I want you to use this as a trend indication. So as the price came up here and rejected the trend line and then started trading below the VWAP, you know that it's going to keep pushing down. Basically, you just want to trade longs above the VWAP and shorts below the VWAP. But overall, in consensus with what the price is doing, whether it's in an uptrend or a downtrend. And as you can see right here, we are now pushing up from this area because in the previous session, this was the high volume area. This is now the level of support. Prices above that came down to test it, rejected it, and is shooting up. Very fun indicator to play with. Links in the description down below. Now, if you want to learn about this support and resistance trend line thing, check out this video right here. And if you want to learn about VWAP, check out this video right here. And if you guys got some value out of this video and you like the way that I teach, make sure you're clicking the like button below my face because it helps the channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.